I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Open the Zomato restaurant app and go straight to the profile area. Once there, tap the profile avatar or the menu that leads to account settings. This is the only entry point to change the picture. Make sure your replacement image follows size and format limits, otherwise the app will reject it. If you don't see account settings, refresh the app or reopen it to ensure the latest UI is loaded before continuing. Once you tap Edit or Change Photo, choose whether to take a new photo or pick one from your gallery. Choose Gallery for higher control. When the picker opens, select the image and allow any permission requests. Next, use the built-in cropper to make the image square and center the restaurant logo or signage so it's readable at thumbnails. After cropping, hit Confirm or Upload. The app will show a progress indicator while it processes and stores the new photo. After the upload completes, wait for the success confirmation and then refresh your profile screen to verify the change across the app. Make sure the thumbnail looks sharp and the logo or photo is centered. If it looks off, repeat the crop and upload. If the image fails to update, clear the app cache, sign out and back in, or try a smaller file. If problems persist, contact Zomato support with the account ID and file details so they can resolve server-side issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.